Honey, wake up. It is 7 o'clock. Time to get up.
Mmm, just 5 more minutes, please. I am so sleepy.
No, sleepyhead. You said that 5 minutes ago. You will be late for work. Come on.
I barely slept last night. I was thinking about my project.
I know, love. I heard you get up in the middle of the night, but I made your coffee. It's hot and waiting for you on the table.
Really? You made my coffee? You are the best wife in the world. Okay, I'm getting up now. Slowly.
That's my man. The day is starting. We can do it together. I will make us some toast now.
You are the best. I love you.
I love you too. Now hurry, or your coffee will get cold. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I did. Thanks. Something smells amazing.
I made scrambled eggs and toast. Want some coffee?
Yes, please. You know I can't start my day without it.
I know. Here you go.
Thanks. The eggs are perfect.
Glad you like them. Do you want some fruit, too?
Sure, just a few slices of apple. What about you? Did you eat?
Not yet. I was waiting to eat with you.
That's sweet. Let's eat together then. I am ready. I am going to work now.
Okay. Did you eat enough?
Yes, the eggs were very good. Thank you.
You are welcome. Do you have your keys?
Yes, I have them. And my wallet.
Good. It will be cold later. Take your jacket.
Oh, you are right. Thank you. I will get it. Oh, do you need anything from the store on my way back?
Hmm, maybe just some milk and bread?
Okay, I'll text you before I leave the office.
Perfect. Drive safe, okay?
I will. I will call you later.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye. Hello?
Hi, good morning. Are you busy?
No, I am not busy. I just ate breakfast with my husband. How are you?
I am good. I am still in bed. I woke up 10 minutes ago.
Oh, you are lucky. I woke up early. I made breakfast and cleaned the house.
You are very busy. I need to get up. I will make coffee now.
Yes, get coffee. Always get coffee.
You are right. Okay, I will make coffee. What are you doing today?
I will clean a little. Maybe I will go to the store later. We need milk. What about you?
I have a meeting at noon. After that, I am free. We can talk or meet.
That sounds nice. We can meet. It has been a long time. Yes,
We always say we will meet, but we don't. Let's meet this weekend. Yes. How about brunch? Brunch is great. What about the new cafe? The one with the pancakes? Yes, I want to try it. I heard they have good coffee, too. Perfect. Pancakes and coffee. It's a date. I will check the hours and send you a message. Sounds good. Let me know. I will be free. Great. I will go make coffee now. Good idea. Talk soon? Yes, talk soon. Love you. Love you too. Bye.
Hello. I need some milk, please. Hello. How much milk do you need? 1 liter, please. Okay, here you are. That is $1. Thank you. I also need some bread. We have white bread and brown bread. White bread, please. 1 loaf. Here is the bread. Anything else? Yes. Do you have any apples? Yes, we have apples. They are $2 for 1 bag. Okay, I will take 1 bag. So that is $3 in total? No, that is $4. 1 for milk, 1 for bread, and 2 for apples. Oh, you are right. $4. Here you are. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Hi, I'm home.
Hi, welcome back. How was your day?
It was okay. I'm a little tired.
You look tired. Do you want to sit down?
Yes, thank you. My feet hurt.
I made your favorite dinner, rice and chicken.
Really? That sounds great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want to eat now?
Yes, please. I'm very hungry.
Okay, I'll bring the food.
You are the best. I'm lucky to have you.
I know. Let's eat.
Dinner was very good. I am so full.
I'm happy you liked it. Now let's relax. What do you want to watch?
Maybe a funny show. Something easy.
Okay, I will look on Netflix.
Oh, do you want to try that new show? People say it is good.
Yes, if it is not good, we can stop.
Good idea. Do we have any snacks?
Yes, I made popcorn already.
Wow, you are the best.
I know. Now be quiet. The show is starting.
Ha, okay.
That show was good. Better than I thought.
Yes, I laughed a lot. The funny neighbor was great.
His dancing was so silly.
I know. Now I feel very sleepy.
Me too. Let's brush our teeth and go to bed.
Okay. Ready for sleep?
Wait, just 2 minutes. I want to look at my phone.
You always say that.
No, really. Only 2 minutes.
Okay. I will sleep in 1 minute. Good night.
Good night. And hey,
Yes?
thank you for today. It was a nice day.
Because I was with you.
Aw, you're sweet when you're tired.
Only for you. Come close. Cuddle time.
Best part of the day.